Good morning, everybody. My name is Jesse Colson. Welcome to our channel. Gonna do some of the motor oil plastics like I promised on the last video. Already got some plastisol heating up. Got the molds we're gonna use today, so pretty much ready to get going. We're gonna heat the plastic up a little bit more. It's not quite ready. As soon as it's ready, we're gonna get colorant in it and start getting some poured. Just about warm enough. Another couple minutes probably. Haven't used this motor oil yet, so get it opened up. I think it might be kind of a cool color to use. Alright. I think we're pretty close to warm enough to go ahead and add some colorant. I've already got a couple drops worth in there for the where I scraped off, so we'll just do 6 or 8 more drops. Little bit there on my hand. I'll drag that in the house, make a huge mess. Add a few more drops. Yeah, it's about 4 more drops probably. That's looking pretty good. I like that color. Alright, heat that back up for a second. Finish stirring that in. There's our motor oil. Kind of a interesting hazel, yellowish brown kind of color. Kind of like that. Just the colorant stirred into it. I think we're going to do some red and silver glitter in there. Go ahead and dump those in real quick. There we go. Okay. Now, it's going to be a cool color, I think. I have to pour a few grubs. That color. Alright. Put it back in for a minute. Warm that up, and we'll get back and shoot some. Tube. Ice bugs. A little wiggler. Dump that sprue up. I think we're going to go ahead and squeeze the rest of this in that. Those air bubbles. Whoops. Well, Got a bit of a bubble on that one. Could have messed that one up. It's alright though. Little stringies running everywhere. Alright. And we'll do the tube first here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that one. I like that color. Looks really good with the glitter in there. I like that. It's kind of nice. Alright. That one's cooled off enough we can pop that. Yeah, we got it. Oh, that's good. Okay. Clean this one out. And throw our tubes down in there. These are little ice bugs. Turned out pretty nice too. I like that. Definitely a different color than I thought it would be. I thought it would actually turn out quite a bit more brown, but these are little wigglers. A couple of those are kind of stuck together, but so they had the form tight enough, or the mold. That's alright, I bet the fish will still bite them. That's why. A little piece of stuff in there. Should be good now though. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Pop that sprue. Kind of a cool color. I like that. Okay. Get that one front and center. We're going to shoot it first. Tube, wigglers, nice bugs. Yeah, I think some of these are about cooled down enough. Tube. Another good round of ice bugs. See if our wigglers worked out this time. Oh yeah, that looks better. That's better. Wigglers came out a lot better on that go. Alright. Just going to do a little bit of junk in that mold, keeping it from sealing all the way. There we go. That's cool. There's our Kryllian. It turned out pretty good. There we go. That's number 10. Got our 10 tubes, 2 little grubs we did in the worm. I think call it the end of this video. Hopefully get out on the ice and give these all a try here pretty soon.